Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to easily change the text size in the Economist News app. Adjusting the text size can make reading more comfortable and help you enjoy articles without straining your eyes. First, open the Economist News app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left. Then, select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, look for the text size option and select it. Here, you will see a slider that allows you to adjust the size of the text. Move the slider to the right to increase the text size, or move it to the left to decrease it, depending on your preference. Finally, once you have chosen the text size that feels most comfortable, exit the Settings menu and return to the news feed. You will notice that all articles now display in your chosen text size, making reading easier and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.